Welcome back MH Car Review. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something truly extraordinary, a futuristic BMW ultra-luxury motorhome concept, designed for the USA lifestyle and built to redefine what luxury travel looks like in the coming years. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving mansion that blends performance, innovation, and absolute comfort into one bold package. Starting with the front design, the motorhome immediately commands attention. The signature BMW styling is clearly visible, with a bold, futuristic grille, sharp LED lighting, and an aggressive front bumper that gives it a powerful road presence. The aerodynamic shape isn't just for looks, it's designed to improve stability and efficiency, even at highway speeds. This front profile feels more like a luxury concept car than a traditional RV, making it perfect for modern American highways. Moving to the side and back, the design continues to impress. The extended body flows smoothly, giving the motorhome a sleek and premium look. At the rear, the styling is clean and futuristic, with modern tail lights and a solid, confident stance. Whether parked at a luxury RV resort or cruising down Route 66, this motorhome looks premium from every angle, front, back, and side. One of the most eye-catching elements is the wheel setup. The large, multi-axle wheels are not only visually stunning but also designed for heavy-duty performance. These wheels provide excellent grip, balance, and load support, making long-distance travel smooth and safe. Paired with an advanced steering system, this motorhome promises easy handling despite its size. Tight turns, lane changes, and highway cruising all feel controlled and effortless, something USA drivers will truly appreciate. Now let's talk about indoor and outdoor living, because that's where this motorhome really shines. From the outside, it looks powerful and futuristic, but step inside and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The interior design feels more like a high-end apartment than an RV. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create a warm and elegant atmosphere. The lounge or suite area is designed for relaxation. Comfortable seating, modern design lines, and smart lighting make it the perfect place to unwind after a long drive. Whether you're watching a movie, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the view, this space feels open, calm, and luxurious. The kitchen is another highlight. This is not a basic RV kitchen, it's a fully modern, smart kitchen designed for real cooking. You get sleek cabinets, premium finishes, and space-efficient appliances that make meal preparation easy and enjoyable. For travelers in the USA who love road trips but don't want to give up home-style cooking, this kitchen is a dream come true. Moving into the bedroom, the focus shifts to comfort and privacy. The bedroom features a spacious bed, soft lighting, and a calm, hotel-like vibe. It's designed to give you a proper night's sleep, even after long hours on the road. Storage is smartly integrated, keeping the space clean and clutter-free. This is the kind of bedroom that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome. The washroom and bathroom area continue the luxury theme. Modern fittings, a clean layout, and high-quality materials give it a premium feel. There's enough space to move comfortably, and everything is designed with both style and functionality in mind. For long road trips across the USA, having a luxury washroom like this makes all the difference. Performance-wise, this BMW motorhome concept is built to deliver a smooth and confident driving experience. While exact engine details may vary, the focus is clearly on power, stability, and efficiency. The advanced suspension and steering systems are designed to handle long distances, different road conditions, and heavy loads without compromising comfort. In terms of lifestyle, this motorhome is perfect for those who want freedom without sacrificing luxury. Whether it's cross-country travel, weekend getaways, or full-time RV living, this vehicle fits perfectly into the modern American dream of open roads and endless possibilities. Overall, the BMW ultra-luxury motorhome concept is a bold vision of the future. From its striking exterior and advanced wheels and steering, to its beautiful kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, everything about this motorhome speaks luxury, innovation, and comfort. If this concept ever becomes a production reality, it could completely change the luxury RV market in the USA. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this futuristic motorhome tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more luxury vehicles and future concepts. See you in the next video.